My father-in-law ordered a new blower motor for the AC system in his big rig. The new blower came with a different style plug on the end that was also way too short. I'll be cutting the plug off the old one and installing it on the new one. Typically I use these solder style butt connectors, but since this will be subject to constant heat, I don't want the solder in the connector to melt. Instead I use the standard crimp style butt connector. I'll be testing out the IWISS iCrimp ratcheting wire crimper. This crimper comes with a 120-piece variety connector set to get you started. These make a very clean crimp with very little effort. The ratcheting action is super smooth as well. I always use waterproof heat shrink tubing on all of my butt splices. In this case I put a layer over each connection. I really should invest in the attachment for heat shrink tubing. It sure would speed this up a lot. I put a second layer of heat shrink tubing over the top of both connections as added security.